Hey everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is an unboxing of the BCP Satush Massage Chair Pad. Okay, please remember to subscribe if you're interested in more videos. Please hit the bell icon for you notify new videos. I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Well, after a long days of work, it's time to get a massage. Well, I found this great product on Amazon. Thought I'd do a video on it. So looking at a number of products, this is a very reasonably priced item. So this one does 4 massage heads, removal back flip, heat and vibration. So it does heat and vibration, and it also does a touche, compression, rolling, neck, back, or seat massage. Amazing, 3 styles. Really great product overall, I say, right? So I'm gonna give the pros and cons. I think the product is pretty good. Just to give you an idea. That's why I looked at it. I already mentioned about this one. So this is just going over the box, the unboxing. I already took it out. So the Satush compression, rolling massage styles, and style that suits you best. Easy to use. There's a remote that comes with it, and a chair pad design. So basically, you have to put it on a chair or sofa. Target areas: neck, back, seat, massage option. Versatile massage includes heat and vibration intensity option. So that's how it looks like. Simple product, but pretty heavy overall. And I was surprised at the size of the box that came. So this is the power supply. Of course, this end goes to the wall. This one goes into the unit. So you just need to plug that in. Kind of hard when you have one hand and holding the camera with the other. So this is the remote. So massage chair pad. That's the model number on there. I'm gonna go over the controls with you a little bit carefully. There's something on the chair. Take that off. So this is the pad that says removal, by the way, too. That's how it looks like. And also this piece for the neck part, you actually could take it out and wash it as well. It's a zipper. So it's very nice. If you get it dirty over time, it's totally cleanable. So there's another cloth at the bottom. I call it the rolling balls. So this is how it looks like. That's how big it is. I'll get rid of this thing over here. And it's a very nice size seat. So you can sit on it. And let's start out by hitting the power button on the unit. The lower back is on right now, and the back part is also on. You also can change the intensity. It's on 2D as well too. So intensity level 1 is the lowest. Let's take this out. That's the back flip that could come off. One thing to note as I tried this unit out, once you remove the cover, the intensity is actually stronger, even when you're at the lowest level. So blue means it's not heated, by the way. I'll show you heated later. So it goes up and down. So, or you can hold it at a certain spot as well too. There's like 4 rolling pins or something like that, I would say. Rolling balls. Let's call it a rolling ball. See, it slowly goes down. So it's on intensity 2 now. So it's stronger. I don't notice a major difference between 2 and 3 that much, but from 1 and 2 I feel a little bit more. And you also can enable the neck massage, and you could go different directions. You could go this way or the other way, clockwise or counterclockwise. See, there you go. And the neck massage is pretty good. One thing to note, I think it's a little bit high for me. I'm only 5'7", so if you probably looking at 5'6", then it'd be, or lower, then it's a little bit too short for you. So for the neck one, you probably want to look at something like if you're 5'8" and above, this unit works really well for you, I think. So it goes up and down. It's a rolling action. And you can hold it at a spot like I mentioned. And I didn't even turn on the compression part of it yet. So you can spot it. See? If you hold it at that, just hit spot. All right. And you also got to adjust the, with the arrows up and down, lower the spot, or or make it go up. So you see it went down a little bit when I press the down arrow. Yeah, air. Now I turn on the heat. Red means the heat. It feels better with the heat. It's not blazing hot or blazing warm. So it gives you a mild warmth. Keep that in mind. It's not gonna the expectations of really a heating pad or something. It's just not gonna be like that. It's just a little bit mildly warm. So it's not gonna be like a heating pad intensity. And lower, upper, back. I'm gonna turn on rolling instead of 2D. So it's gonna roll down. I'm showing the whole clip. If you decide you want to slip forward a little bit, you can. Because some people want to see the whole thing, the whole unboxing, the whole demo as well too. I find the product pretty good, but it's really meant for taller people. I think the sizing of this product to reach my neck and shoulder is a little bit not as strong on the neck and shoulder area because I think I'm a little bit not as tall as like 5'8" or 6 feet tall. So I turn on the compression part. Look at the seats, the pads actually, you see it like become more like a U. You notice that. It's a nice feeling. It's a vibration to it. So I'm going to capture that on the camera. So also it hugs you on the side as well too. And with that neck massage, it's almost like time to take a nap, I guess, right? I wish a little bit on the neck part is more customizable, I guess. So those are the features I enable right now. Air seat, right? And you can see that the massager is rolling up right now. So the seats are generally flat, so there's not a lot of cushion, but it is a pad. So the neck massage part is it's pretty nice if you're taller, but for me, I'm not even that tall, so it's a little bit hard to reach my neck. I actually was hoping to be a little bit better on the massage, but the back part is pretty good. The pack is actually pretty strong for the massaging part, pretty intense. I would suggest for you put the pad on if you don't want to feel that intense on the back. So I turn on the heat. Now it's going back up again. So, and you could try it out. I think it's very reasonably priced. It's about $140 right now on Amazon. And I think it's the best one in terms of the price and features that you could get. There are other ones that's similar, that actually a higher price. So it's going back down right now again. You can see the compression as well on the sides. So you can compress and also massage in the back. And you could spot it at on the lower back area as well too. So right now it's near the lower back area. And you still have the nice seating with the vibration. For the feature and price, and it's not bad at all. Okay. So those are my pros and cons about the product. I mean, I'm demonstrating to you, and I wish the neck massage and the shoulder massage was a little bit better on this. There's room for improvement, of course. You never know. Maybe they come up with a different model that's a little bit more tailor made. So there's a little gap you can see, right, between the neck and the back part. So some people like me actually needs that area. So if you sit too much, right, to turn off the neck part, just push the button. It goes off, right? You can turn off intensity as well too. So you're just gonna have the lower back part. Okay, so this is the box it came in. It's pretty big, pretty large. So if you want to receive this and you decide to purchase it, make sure you have a place to stash it outside. If you have it delivered from Amazon, for example, and it's pretty heavy overall. Um, Nice size pad, I found out, and looks pretty good quality overall. I think it'll last a while. It does come with an instruction manual that I'm seeing over here. I went through it. I don't recall seeing the warranty part of it. Um, so it has the voltage, the weight capacity, 440 pounds max. But it tells you the troubleshooting part. If you ran into anything that you need the troubleshooting, then it goes into its rewards thing. Warranty is listed for 60 days. Hope you like it. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.